SVG is live from NAB 2016 here in Las Vegas. I'm Jason Dachman with Sports Video Group. I'm here with Mike Ward of Reality Check Systems. Mike, you guys are at Vizrt's booth this week at the show at the Las Vegas Convention Center. What are you guys going to be displaying, and what are you guys kind of highlighting there at the Viz booth?
So the main thing we have on the Viz stand is our interactive touchscreen, which is specifically focusing on soccer data. It takes in live real-time data from Opta, a huge wealth of information. We've also got integration with social media on that, and also replays with EVS and K2 Grass Valley stuff. We are integrating with Viz Libero, their replay system. So it's really an interactive tool for broadcasters that they can use either for on-screen analysis or for production as well, to create new graphics.
It seems like systems like this are becoming almost a requirement for a lot of the sports operations, both touchscreen in front of the camera and behind the camera. Is this something, obviously that you guys are driving towards, kind of answering a call from the market?
It's a very good question. I think it was born out of a realization that a lot of the tools that were out there were very, very heavy in their requirements for hardware, but also for manpower. And what we wanted to do was create something that kind of worked like an iPad, as close as we could get to an iPad application for broadcast, and that had very minimal requirements. So everything updates in real time. It's all driven by our cloud database. So really you just need the screen, an internet connection, and the Viz engine, and that's it. You're ready to go. Everything else is there.
Very cool. We'll have to check it out at the booth. In addition to what you guys have here, I know that there's been no shortage of very cool things that RCS has been doing lately. Can you give us a few highlights from maybe some of the leagues and broadcasters you've been working with?
Absolutely. So some of the stuff we've been doing, I touched on it with the touchscreen, is our foundation system, which is it's a cloud-based database taking in data from Opta, from StatsInc, but also social media and polling. We've just delivered one of those systems for NFL Network, or for the NFL, and also for MLB. And it's taking in all of their different data sources, compiling that into one format, and then just basically making that available for distribution, either for on-air graphics or for any web-enabled device, so phones, iPads, whatever really.
Sure. And that's stateside. What about globally? Any additional big projects you guys have been working on?
Yeah, but I guess the latest iteration of the virtual GP that we've just done for Formula One, okay. What that's doing is a system that is taking all their telemetry off the cars, telemetry and GPS information, a whole bunch of data from all of the cars, and it's processing that in real time and creating in Viz basically a real-time virtual GP. It's a really powerful tool because we're creating that 3D environment. It means they can choose any camera angle. It's all virtual, so they can literally follow the cars, or they can go where you might not be able to see, and also show all the telemetry data, so where they're braking, where they're accelerating, where they're changing gear. So it's a very, very powerful analysis tool.
Yeah, very cool. I'm sure fans, hardcore fans, must especially dig that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Cool, Mike. Well, thank you so much. Make sure to stop by Vizrt's booth at NAB to check out what RCS has and their touchscreen there. Mike, thanks so much for joining us. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Jason Dachman, live from Las Vegas. Make sure to stay tuned to sportsvideo.org all week for the latest news from NAB 2016.